How's it going, everybody? Thank you for watching another video. So here's an update on my car repair. If you remember, we're trying to troubleshoot a lean code in my car P0171. Now, just as a quick recap, we were trying to diagnose if it was a fuel delivery problem or if it was a vacuum leak. So we used a vacuum gauge to determine that I had good vacuum in my car, and then we verified that results with my OBD2 scanner. The long-term fuel trim and the RPMs both climbed at the same time. If it was a vacuum leak, the long-term fuel trim would dive as the RPMs increased. So we started troubleshooting a fuel delivery problem. So we decided to have a look at the fuel injector area first, because right around that area it was extremely gunked up with this moist kind of dirt, and to me that could be a sign of leaky O-rings. And sure enough, when I pulled out the fuel injector, the top O-rings were very thin and very brittle, so I replaced those, and then I decided to give the fuel injectors a cleaning. We put them back in, and then the fuel trim went down from 39% down to 19.9%. Now from there we have a decision to make. We can pull the injectors again and try to clean them as best we can. The problem with that option is we don't know how long those injectors have been in there, and they just might not be serviceable anymore. Now, a brand new set of 100% authentic Toyota fuel injectors would have been really expensive, so I decided to go with the remanufactured set for about $20 a piece. Here's the results. Alright, we got the short-term fuel trim and the long-term fuel trim selected. Let's have a look at the results here. And there you go. Let me back up a bit. Okay, long-term is at 8.4, and check that out. I got negatives now pulling for the short-term. Never seen that with the old fuel injector, so definitely helping. Well, alright, more of an improvement on the long-term fuel trim from 19.9, 20% all the way down to about 9 to 10%. Now what that's telling me is that maybe the fuel injectors were possibly 70 to 80% of the problem. I still might have a vacuum leak somewhere. I still might have a problem with fuel pressure, but at least I gained ground on that long-term fuel trim.